Do you ever feel there's too many properties out there and finding the one that truly stands out is actually exhausting?
Well, not today, because this lavish elegance will give you a true sense of belonging where you wake up every day with views overlooking southeast Melbourne, giving 180 degrees picturesque.
Once you move into this property, you will need some time to unfold this timeless design.
You know you've made it in life when you have a private elevator at your property.
Willis Hill is a perfect suburb offering you this grand property we don't want you to miss.
And since we're talking about one of a kind, you know that it's not gonna last very long.